Apple cider vinegar is the wellness world's Swiss Army knife. There are 101 different ways to use it. Using apple cider vinegar as a foot soak can deal with dry, chapped skin on your heels and toes and get rid of dead skin and fungus. When used correctly, apple cider vinegar is a DIY and less intense version of baby foot peel, which is a common product for removing dead skin. Apple cider vinegar is a mixture of fermented apples, and the fermentation process uses yeast and bacteria to turn the natural sugars in the apples into alcohol. The active and beneficial ingredient in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid, which slowly breaks down thick skin. Because of this, the ingredient can be used for all kinds of different issues on your feet. The benefits of an apple cider vinegar foot soak include 1. It softens calluses. In the same way that you exfoliate your face and the rest of your body, you'll also want to regularly exfoliate your feet. It's extremely important to make sure that the skin on your feet is exfoliated because they can get dry and cracked. And the acetic acid in ACV can help get the job done. 2. Diminishes foot odor. Apple cider vinegar is antibacterial and can balance the skin's pH levels by killing the bacteria that causes foot odor. Foot odor is caused when the moisture or sweat on your feet interacts with bacteria, and since bacteria thrive in warm, moist environments, the inside of your socks can be a petri dish of sorts. By using apple cider vinegar to clear away some of that bacteria, you can subtly lessen foot odor. 3. Gets rid of fungus. You may have heard of using apple cider vinegar to get rid of dandruff on your scalp, which is caused by an overgrowth of yeast and fungus. And the same principle can apply to using it on your feet. Apple cider vinegar's antifungal properties can help treat skin and nail infections. Apple cider vinegar has both anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties and is reported to effectively kill both bacteria and fungi on the skin. It's also been proven that apple cider vinegar kills yeast. So really, an apple cider vinegar foot soak is one of the best at-home self-care treatments you likely haven't tried yet. So how do you create an apple cider vinegar foot soak at home? Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and warm water with a tablespoon of either baking soda or Epsom salt. If you have sensitive skin, you can use 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water. Soak your feet in the bath for 20 minutes. After your soak, apply castor oil, tea tree oil, or eucalyptus oil, which are natural antifungals, directly to dead skin and calluses, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Exfoliate the dead skin away using a pumice stone. Coat your feet in a hydrating cream, pop on a pair of socks, and let the lotion sit on them overnight. Generally, it's safe to do an apple cider vinegar foot soak every day, but even too much of a good thing can be bad. So be sure to practice moderation and caution and keep an eye out for any signs of irritation. Overdoing it can cause some stinging and possible redness and burning on delicate, sensitive, or broken skin. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to use baking soda as a treatment for foot calluses, foot odor, and cracked heels. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.